You have an idea?
It's the turkey.
Hmm.
Hey, Buddha. It's really a tree.
Oh, they're in the tree? Is that where the birdies live?
And my tea.
They live in trees?
I can't see it.
You can't see them?
I can't see animal.
You can't see them anywhere?
It's so beautiful. Mountain boy and them. Bobby in the toy.
They're probably in that gray car. I don't think the birdies fit in the, well, they'll fit in the gray car, but the windows are up.
My brother.
Do you want to roll your window down? You did it all by yourself.
I can't see it anymore.
You can't see the birdies anymore?
It's I'm a window. I can't see it anymore. Bobby ain't good.
I hear the birdies. You hear them. Don't open that door. You found. You can't find the birdies. You hear the birdies? You got an idea? There's a birdie in a tree? That's probably where they live. Do the birdies